garlic, lemon juice, Worcestershire, chipotle hot sauce.
We'll give that a really good mix, and then we're gonna set that aside so we can work on our steak. Let's just season it with some salt and pepper. Make sure we do both sides and all of the ends as well. Right in that hot pan with some neutral oil. Listen to that sizzle. Now we're gonna get a crust on this, and we're gonna leave it rest. And you're gonna notice here that the steak is cooked to a nice rare color. Reason being is that since we are making a steak calzone tonight, this is going to be going in the oven once the calzone is all filled up. So if I've cooked a medium steak or a medium well steak and I put it in the oven, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna become super well done, and we do not want that. So I've rendered the fat. There go the vegetables. I even have some jalapenos in there, and I've added in garlic. We'll give that a good mix, and then we'll move on to construction time. Okay, vegetables are done. We'll move on to our steak. It's rested for a few minutes. We'll slice right into it. Yes, look at that color. That's exactly what we were looking for, so we can place it inside our calzone. Please also make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button right now while we're finishing up this steak. We're gonna move on to our pizza dough. That easy recipe is also on my YouTube channel. Little nod up to those pizza gods. Make sure we toss this around and always have some fun in the kitchen while we're cooking. Okay, here comes construction time. Unfortunately, my camera had turned off. It was a user error, but I've loaded in the steak, the vegetables, and lots of cheese. We'll fold that up. We'll crimp up the sides. That way we can avoid leakage, and then we'll place it on our pizza stone in the oven and bake this. This easy recipe, we are satisfying the steak craving, the calzone craving, the pizza craving, fast food, street food. It's all great food. It's getting nice and golden brown. I like my calzones well done. We'll remove it from that pizza stone and bring it on over. It is going to be extremely hot. Look at that calzone. Let's cut right into that, and we're gonna have to leave it cool because it is so extremely hot.
It's gonna be so hot I won't even be able to eat it. You can see it. It's very thick and heavy. Look at that. That is steaming. Oh my gosh, how hot is this gonna be? Oh, that's so hot. All right. My steak calzone. Super hot, but F it, Drew, do it. Boom! One of the best I've ever had. Steak calzone. I'm not gonna take another bite yet, it's just too darn hot, but this is incredible. I've got peppers, onions, lots of cheese, jalapeno in there. Of course, I wanna say garlic mayo, but I've made it with sour cream tonight, so I'm gonna say garlic sour cream, some chipotle hot sauce, off the charts delicious. Also remember, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn that notification button on. We're seeing great recipes like this. Whether you call this a steak burrito, a steak gyro, or a steak calzone, this is great street food at its finest. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom. I can't do another bite yet. It's too... I even wrapped it up here in some parchment paper to lift it up, but it's steaming. I can barely touch it because it's so darn hot, but take a look on the insides. Steak calzone. Ciao. I want to eat it so bad, but I can't. It's too hot. I can't even hold it.